In
Jamaica
February
Watch This.
2011, Raymond Morgan was convicted in the then resident magistrate's court to 12 years in prison. King's Counsel Terence Williams, who represented Mr. Morgan in the later stages, explained that Mr. Morgan had, from the beginning, tried to appeal.
He had filed his appeal, but through no fault of his, the appeal was not delivered to the correct office. And although he was in prison awaiting his appeal for many years, it was not heard. And when it came up to be heard, the court said his appeal had been deemed abandoned many years ago.
Mr. Morgan then applied to the Privy Council, which granted him permission to appeal against the sentence which had been imposed on him, as it was much longer than a resident magistrate could impose by law. The case was sent back to the Jamaican Court of Appeal, which ruled that Mr. Morgan's constitutional right to liberty had been breached.
To the Jamaica Court of Appeal, and the Jamaica Court of Appeal determined that he should have, his period that he served was excessive, and at the most he should have gotten a sentence which cumulatively would have meant that he spent 2,500 and odd days in prison, more than he ought to have.